Hi friends, today we are going to cover creating a PDB by relocating a PDB. So in this practice, you will relocate PDB1 from CDB1 in MRV1 to CDB2 in MRV2. The major advantage of creating a PDB with the relocation method over all other methods is that it provides high availability. It allows you to relocate a PDB from one CDB to another with minimum downtime. You will test this advantage in this section of the practice. Practice assumption: you have appliance MRV1 and CDB database up and running. You have appliance MRV2 up and running. So let's start the appliances MRV1 and MRV2 server. We will start MRV1 and we will start MRV2. Okay, MRV1 and MRV2 have been started. Now we will log into PuTTY to MRV1 and bring up the database. So we log into PuTTY, MRV1. First we will start the listener. Then we will log into the database. Issue the startup command to start up the CDB database, CDB1. The database started. So now if we log into MRV2, so no database is running in MRV2, so that's fine. Now we'll log into the MRV2 virtual box, log in at root, start the DBCA to create the CDB2 database. This is a CDB database, so we'll start creating the database. So we'll select create a database, click next, we'll go to advanced configuration, click next, single instance general purpose and transaction processing will select and click next. Here global database name is CDB2 and seed is CDB2. Create as container database, use local, create an empty container database. Create an empty container database. We'll click next. Keep default selection, use template file. Use template file will keep the default selection. We specify the first recovery area. Default setting, mark enable archiving. Mark enable archiving. Click next. Make sure the listener is selected. We have select the listener. Next. But before that, let's start the listener. Okay, listener is started. So click next. Click next. Configure database vault is not required. Next. Configuration also keep everything for the default. Keep everything for the default. Next. Management option enterprise manager. Unmarked configure enterprise. Unmarked enterprise manager not required. Click next. We give a password. We give password Oracle. Click next. Use it anyway. Then we'll come to the create database. And we'll click on finish. So the database creation has started. 46% completed. You can see the DBCA log in this location. So we can do minus. So you can see it is executing a data patch. completed till 56%. So you can view what's going on in this window. So it has moved to state completion page. So we can view here, it's a completion page. So CDB2 database has been created successfully. Let's close this. Okay. Then here we can come out of this. Then here we will have to make a change in TNF's name structure to connect to CDB1. TNS admin TNS admin TNS names.tura. So we have CDB2, we have then we will insert for CDB1. This is the CDB1 connect string. So we'll copy this, paste it here. So this is CDB1. Okay. So now to test whether CDB1 is connecting, then we can type system Oracle at CDB1. No listener. But I started the listener, right? CDB1 local domain has one instance, so it should not be a problem. Okay, so after making the change in the listener file, I am able to connect from MRV2 to MRV1 CDB1 database. So let's try that. SQL plus system Oracle at CDB1. Okay, it's working fine. So now we will export Oracle CDB to CDB2. Export Oracle CDB2. SQL plus slash CDBA. Then we will create a database link using CDB1. Using CDB1, we will create a database link. Sorry, not here. This is MRV. We will have to do it in MRV2. Okay, database link created. Now to test the database link, we will run this. It's working fine. Now in MRV1, we have to grant CSOPR privilege to system user. System user was the user ID in the connection credential of the database link. Without this privilege, it will not be able to create pluggable database. So here SQL plus slash sysdba and then grant CSOPR to system container is equal to all. Okay, so this step is done. Next step is relocating PDB1 from CDB1 to CDB2. In this section, we will relocate PDB1 from CDB1 to CDB2 and test the availability option in this process. Open a new terminal PuTTY session to MRP1 In this new session, connect to PDB1 as system user. So we will open a new terminal session. Open MRV1. System and PDB1. Okay, so we have connected to PDB1. Create a new table. So we'll create a table. Created. We'll insert a record and commit the row. Now we will see in the testing window, verify this section is connected to MRV1. So it's connected to MRV1. Also we can see the instance name CDB1. MRV1 and CDB1 it is connected. MRV2 reconnect to CDB2 root. So MRV2, I think I'm already connected to the root. Yes, I'm already connected to the root. So first we will have to define the OMF file db create file destination to configure OMF. So we will do that. Session altered. Now we will relocate PDB1 from CDB1 to CDB2. Do not wait for the command to finish. After you execute the command, go to the next step. So first we will have to run this command. Here we are relocating the pluggable database. Okay, so now next is in the testing window, we'll insert another record, commit. In MRV1 check the status of PDB. So in MRV1 PDB1 is still normal. Wait till the create data pluggable database command is finished. Okay, yeah, pluggable database is created. Now in the testing window we will run this command. In the testing window, mrv1.local domain, then we will PDB1 open. We will open the PDB1 database. OK database is open. Check if the testing window is still alive. Testing window. End of file on communication channel. So it got disconnected. In MRV2, check the content of the test table. So we can see both the records before relocating PDB1, during relocating PDB1 is present. In testing window, make a new connection to PDB1. The testing window, make a new connection to PDB1. Listener equipment matching protocol stack. So PDB1 has been relocated, so it cannot connect to PDB1 database from MRV1. And now PDB1 is relocated to MRV1. We can check the status of PDB1. It says relocated. That means it has been relocated. So that's the status. There are services observe that listener is forwarding connection to PDB1. So LSNR CTL services. PDB1 or survey local domain has one instance. Forward server, as you can see, it's forwarding the connection to PDB into MRV2. So that's it guys, for creating a PDB by relocating a PDB. We have created a PDB1 in MRV2 CDB2 database by relocating the PDB. Thanks for watching. Bye.